Yes, my name is Ali, and I'm an SAP C4C functional consultant and a corporate trainer. Takes care of corporate training for people across the globe that include United States, majorly, and India. Um, Apart from that, at times, my stints are at Middle East and then in a little bit in Europe. That's pretty much about me, nothing more. Before we could move on with this, I just wanted to get some pieces of information from you guys, okay, so that we can start over with this demo. Okay, hold on for a minute. I could see with the demo. In today's demo, what are we going to see or what are we going to discuss is the most important thing. Okay, these are the list of things that we are going to discuss today. Okay, first of all, we will understand why C4C or C4 HANA, the core reasons that are available in the market, why they are moving to C4 HANA. Next one is the history of SAP C4C or the cloud. We will discuss the project landscape and the system landscape associated with C4C. We will see the difference between a server-based application and a cloud-based. We will also try and identify what is a private and a public cloud. Along with that, we will also see how does the project starts. And finally, we will see what does a functional consultant do. At the same time, I will also show you, the look and feel of SAP C4C system. And finally, I will take questions. Okay, because these are the really important points that you should consider before getting into any training. Okay, so I request you guys to mute yourself, and then whenever you have any questions, just unmute and then answer that questions to me. It will be great. Okay. I'm sure you guys are absolutely aware of the entire scenario that SAP is going through. However, just to give you an example that SAP, you used to have some on-premise systems like HR, SD, MM, FICO, and then more than 27 other modules associated with it. All these were clubbed together are called ECC. The reason why they were called ECC, because by using HR, the optimum utilization of HR is done using HR module, which is improving the functionality and also the productivity of enterprises, okay, of the enterprise, of the business, right? SD, by maintaining the optimal sales and distribution, the organizations or the enterprise was getting benefited. The same is with everything, right? So if you could see all these things, these by implementing these modules, it's the enterprise that's getting benefited, right? But over a period of time, uh, things have changed. Okay, things have changed, and the market has improved. There is a lot of competition in the market. That's when the focus towards customer has moved. Like, irrespective, you might have amazing products that's been delivered by your company, no doubt about it, but if you do not have customers, there is no way you can maintain profits, or there is no way you can sustain in the business. So there was a need to have a module to manage and satisfy the customer. So that's when SAP CRM came into customer. SAP CRM itself is a module. Okay, it's not like SAP ECC. SAP ECC has a bunch of modules. SAP CRM itself is a module which contains three functionalities: marketing, sales, and services. Now, why these three? Because if you could see, marketing is a concept where you get in touch with the customer directly. Like, whenever you do a campaign, roadshow, events, etc., etc., you get in touch with the customer directly, firsthand, right? Sales is something where the customers get in interaction with you to understand how the product is, where you will give the demo about it, and then you will do a lot of activities. You talk to them stating, hey boss, this is our products are, the deliveries, etc., etc., right? When it comes to services, this is the most crucial and critical point for any business to that matter, right? If the services are bad and not up to the mark, the bad, the word of mouth spreads like anything, irrespective whether it is good or bad. It spreads like anything, and that will have a huge impact on your business. So these are the three key areas where you are having a direct touch point with the customers, right? Where you are having a direct touch points with the customers. So now, This was an amazing journey of SAP CRM in the market. Since everybody, but the whole thing is, these two were server-based applications, right? These two were server-based applications. Now SAP is absolutely aware that the future is